My people, I visited my sister some time ago in Ghana, and she cooked a kind of rice. She said it's Ghana white rice with stew and chicken. I said, okay. Oh. As I watched her cook the rice, I saw that the rice was the same way we Nigerians cook our own rice. I didn't say anything. Now she visited me. I said, okay, so I called her sister. She answered, I said, please, that your Ghana rice you cooked that time I visited you in Ghana. Can you repeat it now that you are in Nigeria? She said, why not? I said, okay, let's go to the market and get chicken to kill. We get to get chicken. We went to the market and she selected a fowl, and they prepared it there for us. Then we came home and started preparing it. As you can see, we are now washing it, okay, because they prepared it for us there in the market. So we only came home with the meat, to cook. So I was the one, that was videoing her while she does the cooking. So let's keep watching how they cook the Ghana rice and stew with chicken. So my people, let us watch her do it. But please don't forget to share this video so that others will learn. They will compare and contrast if it is not the same way we Nigerians cook our own rice, or is it because now that she is married in Ghana, so she's now saying that that is the way Ghanaians cook. Okay, let's see. Please, just give me your own comment in the comment section. Say what you know about this cookery. Now, is it the same with Nigerian, how we cook Nigerian rice and stew with chicken, or is there any difference? For me, it's the same. Okay, so let's watch her. She has started cooking. And that's my senior sister anyway. I asked her to use spoon to take those, and she said, no, please, we are Africans. We are not Oyibo. I just laughed, tired. I said, okay. She washed her hand after all. Well, that's it. She's not showing me how to do it. I said, okay, I'm going to record. She said, okay, record, but please, I don't want to enter video. I said, no problem. Oh, I'm going to cover you. Insurance covers you. You know. So as she was frying the meat, my children said, please, don't over fry the meat. We don't like it when it is too dry. So now she removed it. because if it were her alone, she wanted the meat to be very dry. But my children said, no, please, auntie, we want it, half fried. And so she had to remove it. Children, you have to obey them. Oh, oh my God. You see, I was one that processed the tomato in the bottle. I showed it to you people on my channel some time ago. So it has been very, very useful in the kitchen. My people, see what I saw. Is it not the same way? The same way we Nigerians cook our own stew? That's what I'm seeing here. Because already she has boiled the white rice. So the pot she was using was too small for the stew. So she turned it in another pot, in a bigger pot. So that was what she just did. And that's the stock that she was just pouring it inside the stew. Hey, Ghana rice, so Ghana white rice and stew with chicken. It's gonna be bo. I told her that salt was too much. Oh. She said no, she's even going to put more. I said okay. Oh. But I like the stew. I like the color because there's nothing like coloring in the stew. It's just pure tomato, no coloring. So it's very good. It's nice. I like it. Can you just see it? You see? Now she just put the meat so that the taste of the stew will just enter inside the meat. So here now, I was arguing with her, asking her that, is it not the same way we Nigerians cook our own white rice and stew? This is how we make our stew. And she started laughing. That is almost the same thing. That is the same thing anyway. Only that she said that in Ghana that there are some things they do put in the stew. But I don't have it here. So she used all the ingredients I myself, was able to get. And she used my own ingredients to cook. So it was very yummy, Sha. Oh, the food is ready. The food is ready. Oh. Me, I like the thing, oh. I tell you. Oh my God, look at that stew, eh? Oh, I can't wait, eh? It's very, very yummy, The stew is very yummy. Looking at it, I know you testify the goodness in that stew. Wow, come and eat. Food is ready. My sister, you did a very good work, eh? Bravo. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, give it a like, share, and comment, okay? Until my next video, this is Mama Egwueji saying bye.